everyone, welcome back to my channel, CLJK Bagsik. So this is about my wife's birthday last 20th of September. It's a double celebration with Clyde. They were born on the same day, 20th of September.
Sige kuya.
This is the video.
Ika lang kayo ating mga panga dyan.
Alright.
Namumutok.
Video yan kuya. Ay, video pala. O game, groupie go, groupie. Oh, sige. Lance. Lance.
Smile, Beng.
Happy birthday! Are you okay, boss? Sige na, we will start.
Lord!
Huwag kita ang tribute niya.
Kita ang ating mansyon, kuya.
Ha? Yeah. Dito, sauce. Buksan na natin to?
Sige.
Uy, let's be buksan na natin.
Open.
Kakain na tayo?
Pagtabihin mo kayong dalawang chicken.
Teka lang.
Ito lang, baby.
Picture mo pala yung pagkain.
Okay.
Teka lang ito.
Sige natin.
Kunin ko ito, baby.
That's sisig.
Ay, yung ano, ito yung...
Galing mo. Ito, sa palabok ng remedy.
Oh!
This is a simple celebration, but we have plenty of food. So, honey ginger chicken, fried chicken, vegetable spring rolls,
Joy, nasan si Lucas?
palabok, that's pancit or chow mein, decorations made by Clyde and Dean.
Ito, baby.
Alright. Mahiyos ang letter B.
Oh, ako lang. Hindi naman obvious eh. Ganda nga.
We also have pork sisig, rice is life, and this is the chow mein, and again the honey ginger chicken, kare-kare by Susie, fried chicken by Clyde, another fried chicken, palabok, that's my specialty, spring rolls, that's meat, and this is vegetable spring rolls, that's for me, and spaghetti, another selfie. So family picture.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
A good luck cake for Jeremy because he's off to university. And the fun begins.
Kami ni Ding.
Kami ni Ding.
Asan? Okay, dito.
It's
Ay, wag mo na yan, guys. Dito ka.
Carlo and Lioba, Ding and Clyde, me and Joe.
Ay, TikTok pala yun, ano?
Ala, sali yan. Hindi na mag-tiktok.
Hindi, you don't need to get up. They will just anyway give me my money.
Okay.
It should be
How about Jeremy? To be
Ayaw niya.
Baby, oh.
Yung kami yan.
Baby, Relax, will move. Don't worry.
Okay.
no, because you need to
No.
TikTok.
Look, oh.
Ay, doon.
Pero.
TikTok.
you need to get closer to the
The TikTok.
camera, okay?
Sige.
Alright, so you start.
Dito ba, Titi? Dito tayo, Titi.
Ano yan?
Just,
No, here.
Dito,
What you're gonna do is to stand in the middle, like that, so that we can see you. Alright.
Lagi mo na filter yan, kuya.
Mamaya.
Hindi mo na naman filter yan, dahil.
That's only
Sige.
Sige, ready? Go.
Give me my money!
You also clap together.
Just
Yeah.
give me my money.
Yay!
Give me my money.
Just give
Give
me
me
my
my money! Yay! Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah?
Nakaragay man ako.
Start.
Just give me my money!
Okay, tayo. Let's go. Just give me my money. You.
Dali na. Give me my money.
Both of you. Give me my money.
Akin na.
Give me, uncle.
Okay.
Baby, observe, baby, observe.
Ready, yeah.
Start
Okay.
with it like that.
Okay.
Oy, so who's next to Joy? Si me. Clyde.
No.
So, ganun.
Lance.
So
Ako
Joy,
na sa
Lance.
beginning.
Okay.
After
Alright.
ako ang sunod ni Matilia.
Oh, sige, okay. Ready?
Naka-record na yan.
Yeah, it's recording already. Oh.
Natawa na si Kuya. Wala ko gana.
Kuya.
Ito ba nasabi? Wala tawanan. O, bayan natin.
Karamante. Lagi ba ako sisita tayo sa TikTok?
Oh, ito pa mo. Puto pa na. Oh, may stop it.
Huwag ka mo nang kutamawa. Go.
Tayo nagkasimula. Ako na lang una.
Sige, last ka na lang.
Last ka si Carlo. Last si Carlo.
Paano sige.
Ay, di si Joy ang una kasi
Ay, naman
alam
ako.
niya yung kanta.
Sige.
Sige.
Ano yun? Caught in the bad romance. Oh, ikaw na, te. Caught in the bad romance ko, no? Sige na, ikaw na.
Oh.
Parang may pang-horror, te. Sakit ang check ko. Sige na.
Oo. Si Kuya na.
Oh, caught in a bad romance.
Oh.
Last na to. Last na to.
Wala na ikaw na tayo tumawa.
Okay. Lance.
Caught in a bad romance.
Oh, caught in a bad romance.
Oh. Go in a good romance. Oh, Paul.
Oh, ikaw.
Oh, ikaw dong.
Si ano, si Ding?
Where is
Si
Paul?
Ding.
Ding na lang si Ding kasi police na to.
Wala lang mo si Paul. Ikaw na din.
Papatid na sa mong mami-ani ding. Ito nakapagod sa bad romance, de?
Oh. Sige lang, tagkatawa ni. Oh. Caught in a bad romance.
Ayun, bad romance.
Good romance yan. Oh.
Sino mauna?
Ikaw?
Hindi. Si Ding.
Sino mauna?
Ding.
Surprise naman.
Okay.
Sino mauna, uy?
Ding.
Sige na.
Caught in a bad romance.
Caught in a bad romance.
Oh, ganda naman ng boses nila.
Bawal tumawa.
Tortoy.
Sino na sunod?
Ikaw na din.
Hindi ko marunong na eh.
Bad romance ang kuloy.
Yun lang ba? Oh, hindi na magkahinga si Ate Susunod.
In a bad romance.
Ay, ito pa! Pura excited lang po! Uy, hindi ka nakahinga. Si Ate Susie. Si Angkol. Si Angkol. Si Angkol is, is PG. Oh, ako na? Ikaw na? Ikaw na lang, Ate Susie. Ikaw. Nahiya natin. Nahiya mag-like.
Please.
Serious na tama. Serious. Sige, tatlo tayo. Sige, simula.
Trio? Hindi pa ba tayo tapos nito?
Dali na! Oh, sige, ikaw na rin. Oh! Huwag ka
Caught
bawal
in
na
a
rin.
bad
Caught in a-
romance.
Wait, 20 pounds na pa tumawa. Mana, tapos na.
Susi na lang, susi.
Wait, dapat serious.
Hindi, nagkwentuhan na tayo. Look.
Once more. Tapos na. Tapos na. Ganun na yan.
Kananda na ng kanta ko nun.
Here I am all the time, girl. You know me. I must admit, I'm the real brother. Here I am all the time, girl. You know me. I must admit, I'm the real brother.
봐도 넌 나를 보면 마치 넌 달콤한
And Filipino party is not complete without Sharon.
Paluti mo ako ng hiwaga ng iyong pagmamahal. Hayaang matakpan ang kinang na di magtatagal. Mabuti pa kaya'y maging bituing walang ningning. Kung kapalit nito'y walang paglaho mong pagtingin. Itago mo ako sa lilim ng iyong pagmamahal. Limutin ang mapaglaro ang kinang ng tagumpay. Sa piling mo ngayon, ako'y bituing walang ningning.
We had a good time and obviously we were full. Happy birthday, Leo and Clyde. And party is not complete without Groupie. Wacky, smile, and we had a good time. Thank you very much.